Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while. My anxiety kind of just said, no, you're not uploading any more videos for about 4 weeks. Yeah, the consistency kind of went out the window. So much for uploading every week, I guess, but we're back. And I've made quite a lot of progress actually, since the last episode. I've still been working on the game. I haven't just stopped working on the game. I just didn't know what to upload necessarily, so I thought I'll just get as much stuff done as I can. I've kind of avoided coding as much as I can, so I've just done a lot of artwork, I guess. So yeah, let's hop into Unity, show you what I've done while I've been off. Okay, so here we are in Unity. Let's start with the background and stuff. So we have multiple layers here. So we've got like the detailed layer at the front. It's got like some fences, some rocks, some trees on it. And then we've got the rocks in the background, and then we've got the main background at the back, which doesn't move at all. Each of the layers have got like the parallax effect on them, which all that means is that they follow the camera at like different times, and it creates quite a cool effect. So if I just show you that real quick, as you can see, the rocks move at different times, and the front bit moves at a different time to them as well. And when I jump, they kind of follow, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then for the level itself, let's just go through it real quick. As you can see, I've got some grass and some like fences and some rocks, just to add to the level a little bit more. We've got the spikes here as well and stuff like that. They don't actually work yet, which kind of sucks. I need to do some coding. That's definitely what I'm going to be doing next episode, is pure just coding and getting an actual game going. So like the player has like some sort of health system, because right now you can just walk through the level with no danger whatsoever. Here's the slime as well actually. It doesn't work at all. It's not actually, yeah, nothing's really working in the level at all. It's not really a game at the moment, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So yeah, let's just go through the level real quick. As you can see, I made these tiles myself as well. They're not very complex really, are they? Let's be real, but they're just simple black with a bit of texture on them. I mean, it kind of matches the vibe of the game, honestly. You can either go upwards, or you can go down here and collect something like secret. I'm not too sure what I'm going to put here yet, but yeah, extra bit of a level here for you to do, and then collect something there. These graveyards, by the way, what are going to spawn the zombies when I eventually make them. Oh, and also I forgot to describe the difference between the spikes, the purple ones and the red ones. Basically, these purple ones, I'm going to make them like poison the player, so like they do damage over time if you hit them. And then these ones, they're going to like fall, so when the player gets near them, they fall to the ground and he has to like dodge them, which I think will be pretty cool. I'm probably going to add more obstacles and more dangerous stuff as I go along and stuff. That weird glitch is still here. Yep, I don't know how to fix that. It's quite annoying, but you know, I'm sure we'll fix that. I'm sure it's a simple fix. Okay, so let's progress through the level a little bit further here. As you get to the top, there's another grave spawner, which will be fighting zombies up here when I eventually add some sort of combat. And you've got another 2-option way here as well. So you can either jump across and try and avoid them spikes and potentially collect something, or you could drop down here and go down there. And if you miss that jump, then you die in that green stuff. And with the green stuff, I'm going to add some animation to it. I'll put it on the screen right now. That's like the gif of it so far. I'm not too sure how to go about this, to be honest with you, but what I want to do is animate the water and like make the bones in the water like bob up and down, which I think will be pretty cool. Just adds a little bit more life to it, you know what I mean? Because at the moment it doesn't look very alive at all. But yeah, I'm yet to add grass and rocks to this part of the level, and that's where it ends pretty much. So I'm going to add more to this level right now. I'm going to start a time lapse, I think, just to save a bit of time here, because you don't want to watch me paint the whole level. It'll be pretty boring. So I'll time lapse it. It might be pretty satisfying to watch actually. So yeah, time lapse time. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that time lapse. I need more tiles, so the levels are not really that complex at the moment. They haven't got much detail on them. So this is basically like the skeleton of the level, I would say. I've added like the obstacles and stuff in, just for like, you know, for like a reference to like where I'm gonna, you know, put them, see if they work properly. But yeah, we'll just go for the level here, see how it looks. I'm just gonna go to the top straight away instead of going down the bottom again. But yeah, I'm really excited to get going on the mechanics. I'm gonna start doing some coding for sure for next episode, and to start, you know, actually getting a game going here, because it's not much of a game yet. It's just basically just a very basic platformer. So here we have like 2 places to go. So if I was to miss that jump, I would go down the bottom here and end up down here. There's actually going to be a secret coin down here. I'm going to put some, you know, as I've been saying, like secret items to collect or something, like different pathways. So yeah, it would be down here somewhere, and then you can just get back up by jumping up here. We got this bit here. So the idea behind this here is you jump up, dodge it, because it will fall when you get close to it, and then you can jump across. Hopefully that works out as I want it to. I doubt it will, but we'll have to see when I start coding. Okay, and another one quite similar here. We've got like the same sort of jump. We can dodge it, and then we land down here. And you can see at the very bottom of the screen there's like a ton of spikes at the bottom, which is to make people scared, I guess, but yeah. And moving on through the level here, this will be another like area to fight zombies, because as I said before, they spawn on the graveyard things here. This is just a little, I don't know what to call this, but yeah, there's another secret entrance here. I'm going to put like another secret item here. I mean, it's not really secret, is it, to be honest, but I might put like walls, yeah, that disappear when you get close to them. I've seen a few games do that. It looks pretty cool. I want to try and do that. And same with this floor here. As you go over it, disappear and you fall into the slime or something, which would be pretty cool. Okay, again, moving on through here. This is going to be where I zoom out the camera. I want to try and do like camera effects where it like zooms out to show a bigger area. Because at the moment, you can't really see the whole thing that I've made. This is just going to be like a whole zombie fighting area. There's like multiple floating islands here. Just one last little floating island over here, and this is where the last little bit of fighting is. I don't know whether to expand it some more or just keep this as like the tutorial level. I'm not too sure. But yeah, what I mean is here with the floating islands. Look, see, I've made like some floating islands here, and I want it to like zoom out so you can see them all. Should look pretty cool. I also need to fix the background as well, because it's I feel like it's making the game run a lot slower because of how long the background is. I need to try and fix that. I need to make it duplicate itself when the camera gets to the end. I need to definitely try and do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Sorry this episode was like not very gameplay like changing, I guess. I mean, from last episode it's a big change actually, because I didn't have any sort of background or any sort of level. So I mean, it's a big change from where we left off last time, but I still want to add some sort of, you know, gameplay. I want to add the zombies. I want to make the spikes do damage and move and stuff, and just make the game look better with like the camera effects and stuff, and, you know, start making it look a little bit more like a game. I waffled a bit there. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Next episode we'll make some progress, even more gameplay wise, and yeah. Make sure to follow my Twitch as well. I'm going to do a shameless plug here. If you want to follow my Twitch, I will try and be as live as much as possible over on there. I'm not promising anything though, because I can't keep it consistent on YouTube, let alone streaming every day. So, but yeah, if you want to follow me over there, come chill while I'm live. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.